for the perfect breakfast for your teen? Forget boring oatmeal. This pie is a real energy booster. Juicy, delicious, and kids absolutely love it. Let's start with the base. Mix water, a bit of vegetable oil, and olive oil. Add yeast. It makes the dough fluffy and easy to digest. The health secret is oats, but we don't boil them, we soak them. This preserves all vitamins and fiber which growing bodies need. Now combine flour with our liquid base. To make the dough tender and calcium-rich, definitely add kefir or yogurt. Mix until smooth. Bring our super oats back into the dough. This provides satiety for half the day, so no hunger pangs during classes. Slice it up, serve with favorite fruits. A balanced breakfast ready in 30 minutes. Subscribe to feed your family tasty and healthy. Leave a comment below to tell us where your mom and her children live and what they cook for themselves and their children. Cover and let it rest. Yeast is working, filling the dough with air. While it rises, let's prep the filling. The filling is a vitamin bomb. Boiled egg, rice, lots of green onions, dill, and parsley. Mix right into the dough. Simple, fast, and mega healthy. Watch, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Oatmeal, soaked, rich in soluble fiber, beta-glucan. Kefir, live bifidobacteria and lactobacilli support the gut microbiome. Egg, iron, iodine, vitamins D, A, E, B12. Rice, easily digestible energy source. Green onions, phytosides with antibacterial properties, vitamin C. Dill, parsley. Vitamin C, immunity. Calcium, potassium, essential oils stimulate appetite and digestion. Excellent breakfast option. Provides satiety and energy. You can fry it in a pan under a lid, like a giant pancake, golden crust and soft inside. Or bake in an air fryer. Less oil, more crunch. Choose any method. The result is top-notch. Slice it up, serve with favorite fruits. A balanced breakfast ready in 30 minutes. Subscribe to feed your family tasty and healthy.